Service in Albuquerque has issued a flash flood warning for the Hermit's Peak Canyon Burn Scar in south-central Taos County in north-central New Mexico, western Warren County in northeastern New Mexico, northwestern San Miguel County in northeastern New Mexico, until 3:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 12:44 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated showers and storms producing moderate rain over the Hermit's Peak Canyon Burn Scar near and west of El Turquillo and near Mora. Between 0.25 and 0.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.25 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will impact Manuelitas Creek, Sapeo River, Rio San Jose, Santiago Creek, Rio Cebolla, Rio La Casa, Vigil Creek, Coyote Creek, Mora River, and Louisiana, Canada, Del Caro. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Hermit's Peak Canyon Burn Scar. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Hermit's Peak Canyon Burn Scar. Some locations that could experience flash flooding include Mora, Ladue, Cleveland, Morphy Lake State Park, La Cueva, Tierra Monte, Howman, Gascon, Sapeo, Chacon, South Carmen, Monte Aplanado, Luceros, Rainsville, Rosiana, Manuelitas, Golondrinas, El Turquillo, and Guadalupita. This includes the following highways: State Road 94 between mile markers. You're listening to Station W. Broadcasting on a frequency